We have here some push fit fittings, and I just want to quickly show you how to fit them and how to remove them. This one here is fitted to a Gardner quick lock tip, and you can see here there's a little collar around the top of the fitting. To take this push fit fitting off this tip, we need to push the collar down and then it can be pulled out. The reason we do that is, if I can get it to focus, there are some small teeth. You can see them shining in the inside there, and they are what grip onto the fitting when we push it on. Those little teeth inside grip onto the fitting or the hose, whatever they're being used with. If you try and pull this fitting off without pushing the collar down, they grip on really tight. If you pull hard enough, you'll probably break the fitting and it won't seal again. So to take it off, we just push down that collar and then we can take it off. I've got a piece of pole tube here, it's got the same fitting. Again, to fit it up, we just push it on and it actually goes a little bit more. There's a little O-ring on the inside and it needs to be pushed on all the way. So it can feel like that's on, but it actually goes a little bit more. We use a lot of push fit fittings here at Window Cleaning World. If you just simply look at plumbing fittings and it has a collar like that, it's very likely it's a push fit fitting. Even at the top of this fitting here, there's one there. So again, we just push that collar in and then we can take the hose out. But you just want to be very careful not to pull these off without pushing that collar down. They're very simple to use, very easy to replace. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the video or contact us at the shop at any time. Thank you.